Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to Treasures of the Quran, a series providing short summaries of the surahs of the Quran. The purpose is to give a brief overview of the surahs, highlighting key contents and lessons through illustration. Each session will be around 3 to 4 minutes, covering one surah or a group of surahs. In this session, we'll be presenting a few points about the importance of learning the Quran and a short summary of Surah Al-Fatiha. Allah says, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم وقال الرسول يا رب إن قوم اتخذوا هذا القرآن مهجورا. On the day of judgment, the Prophet ﷺ complains to Allah about the people who neglected the Quran. This is something very concerning. We want Prophet ﷺ to intercede for us, not complain against us. Scholars have said that we should fulfill the following 6 rights of the Quran so that we do not belong to the category of people who neglect the Quran. So these rights are: believe in it, read it, understand it, ponder its sources, act upon it, and spread its message. These short clips will help familiarize you with the content of the Quran, which is a step towards fulfilling its rights. Surah Al-Fatiha, the opening. This is the first surah of the Quran, consisting of 7 verses. In a Hadith Qudsi, the Prophet ﷺ said, Allah Almighty said, I have divided prayer between myself and my servant into 2 halves, and my servant shall have what he has asked for. When the servant says, all praise is due to Allah, the Lord of the worlds, Allah says, my servant has praised me. When he says, the gracious and merciful, Allah says, my servant has exalted me. When he says, the master of the day of judgment, Allah says, my servant has glorified me and my servant has submitted to me. When he says, you alone we worship, you alone we ask for help, Allah says, this is between me and my servant will have what he has asked for. When he says, guide to the straight path, the path of those whom you have favored, not those who went astray, Allah says, this is for my servant and my servant will have what he has asked for. So Allah revealed the Quran in response to our dua as a guidance to humanity for the rest of time. When we recite Surah Al-Fatiha in prayers, it is a conversation with Allah and He is responding to us. So we should understand what we are saying, that we can concentrate in the prayers and get the blessings of Allah. Some key lessons from the surah are: Allah is extremely merciful. We should never lose hope in Him. We are accountable in front of Allah for all our deeds. Only Allah is worthy of worship. We must always seek help from Him in all our affairs. Allah bestowed His blessings on Nabiyyin, Siddiqeen, Shuhada and Salihin. We must try to make them as our role model. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.